What happened, Manong? I like the story.
You were the baby at that time.
Yeah?
So my father have to carry you
Oh,
as we cross the river
yeah?
in Kadanglaan.
Yeah. To hide. To hide. To hide
Yeah,
from the Japanese?
That was 1941.
Yeah, I was born in 1940,
Yeah.
Judy.
Yeah, yeah.
So I was the baby during the Japanese occupation.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah.
And what else happened?
Mamang told me that under my lampin, there's a Larga Vista of my father.
Yeah.
It's good the Japanese did not find that out.
Yeah.
Because if they found out the Larga Vista, maybe I was already killed with my mom.
Oh.
Yeah.
And what else happened? What
Yeah.
else? And he told the story.
Yeah, yeah.
What else do you remember?
Yeah.
You learn how to play the piano.
Yes.
Can you still play?
Yes, of course. What do you want to play?
Yeah.
What song do you want to play?
Yeah.
Now, what did he remember when you were in the story? Does he remember some more? When Japan? You asked him.
Yeah, what happened in Kadanglaan, Manong? What happened in Kadanglaan? We hide in the forest.
Yeah.
What happened in Kadanglaan? Let me get a hearing. Let me get this thing. Hold on.
Yeah. What happened in Kadanglaan?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the story. Because I don't know that story. I was still a baby.
Here. Tell her the story. Let me put this earring right so you can hear.
But you have to adjust the volume, huh?
Yeah. Is it on his ear? Oh, Lord. Is that good? Can I see his
The
lapel?
volume
Let me see.
should not be loud.
Okay. Can I see my antipara?
You get your eyeglasses.
Is it on? Can you talk? Can you hear?
Yeah, I can hear.
Okay. Lila, tell him what tell him.
What happened to us in Kadanglaan, Manong? What happened to us in Kadanglaan? When I was a baby.
You have to speak a little bit louder.
Okay.
Yeah. What happened to us in Kadanglaan? When I was a baby.
I got it.
Oh,
What's the question?
yeah,
What happened when she was a baby?
When I was a baby?
No, when she was a baby in Kadanglaan.
Oh, what happened?
In Japan.
I remember it was the beginning of the war.
Yeah?
So we have to move at night.
Yeah.
We went to the barrio in Kadanglaan.
Yes.
And my father have to carry
I was the baby.
her because she's the baby.
Oh, that's...
While we crossed the river
Yeah.
in Kadanglaan. That's where we stay during the war.
Yeah, we had the forest.
Then after the war, we moved back to the town in Natividad.
After the war.
But we went to high school in Tayog.
Yeah.
Yeah. I went to Luna Colleges.
Yeah.
And my brother Cristobal was the valedictorian in high school.
Yes, see?
Yeah. He's always this smart. And when he went to UP, he's a scholar in UP. He never pay attention. He's a scholar the whole semester. He's smart.
Until he graduated.
Then he came to America
Yeah.
on a scholarship. He went to Virginia Tech. He's smart again in Virginia Tech. He's a scholar there.
And then what he studied? What job he had? What's his job? What's his job, Uncle Val?
He's what you call that?
Veterinarian.
Veterinarian?
He's a veterinarian. Yeah, he's